Let me tell you something surprising. Not all vegetables are healthiest raw. In fact, some of them become even more powerful after cooking. Take tomatoes, for example. When you cook them, their lycopene levels skyrocket. Lycopene is a super antioxidant known to protect your heart and reduce the risk of cancer. Raw tomatoes? Still good. But cooked tomatoes? Next level protection. Now let's talk about carrots. When you boil or steam them, the beta-carotene content doesn't just increase. It becomes up to 5 times more available to your body. Beta-carotene is essential for your eyes, skin, and immune system. Cooking actually helps your body absorb it better. And then there's the humble potato, especially when you leave the skin on and boil it. You'll preserve much more potassium, which supports heart and muscle health, and vitamin C, which often gets destroyed during peeling or frying. Want another good one? Cabbage, including broccoli and Brussels sprouts. These are cruciferous vegetables, and when eaten raw in excess, they can contain goitrogens, substances that may disrupt thyroid function. But a little cooking helps neutralize those goitrogens, making these greens safer and easier to digest, especially for those with thyroid concerns. And here's a bonus: spinach. Raw spinach contains oxalates that can block calcium and iron absorption. But once you cook it lightly, those oxalates break down, and your body gets more of the iron, magnesium, and calcium it needs to stay strong. So yes, cooking some veggies actually makes them healthier. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more natural health tips. How do you usually cook your vegetables? Steamed, boiled, roasted? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop your favorite method in the comments below.